Are you tired of mindlessly scrolling through social media and not earning anything from it? Well, what if I told you that you can make money just by watching videos? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Hello, and welcome back to my channel where I bring you the latest and greatest ways to make money online. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to earn money by watching videos. Now, you may be thinking, is that even possible? The answer is yes. And the best part is, it's easy, fun, and doesn't require any special skills. Also check the description of this video for wealth music and forex signals. The first way to make money by watching videos is through paid survey sites. There are several survey sites out there that pay you to watch videos and answer a few questions. One popular site is Swagbucks, where you can earn points for every video you watch, and then redeem those points for cash or gift cards. The second way to make money by watching videos is through reward apps. Similar to survey sites, reward apps like Inbox Dollars and Perk.tv pay you to watch videos and complete other simple tasks. These apps usually have a variety of videos to choose from, including movie trailers, advertisements, and viral videos. Another way to make money by watching videos is through content creation. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok allow users to monetize their videos through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. If you have a talent for creating engaging content, you can potentially earn a significant amount of money by posting videos on these platforms. The fourth way to make money by watching videos is through online tutoring. Many online tutoring platforms like VIP Kid and Cambly pay tutors to create and upload educational videos for their students. If you have expertise in a particular subject, this could be a great way to make some extra cash. Lastly, you can make money by watching videos through paid market research studies. These studies are usually conducted by companies that want to gather information on consumer behavior. You can sign up for these studies on sites like User Testing and watch videos while providing feedback to the companies. So there you have it, 5 different ways to make money by watching videos. Whether you prefer taking surveys, using reward apps, or creating your own content, there's a method out there for everyone. Just remember, while watching videos may not make you rich overnight, it can be a fun and easy way to earn some extra cash. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tips and tricks.